Baby, wait, I know that you're afraid, but it'll be okay if you just stay with me. And we can run from here, and we can disappear, and they won't find us where we are going, dear. So baby, hold
That's a shonky rock.
me.
I just got a Samaki vibe on right now. Looks pretty dodgy, half reacted with other plastics. Part of the reason why I didn't use it, but came to my senses and thought if I'm not going to use it today, I'm probably never ever going to use it. So we're getting ready to go today for Dewey's. Just got a Albright knot connecting. Let me know in the comments down below whether you want me to do how I tie an Albright knot. And I always lose flathead like that. Just a tiny little flathead. Tiniest one I've ever gotten on 3-inch. Jesus, we're going for a day. Ugh, almost fell off. First cast of the little 3-inch. Pearl. Got some dodgy ass leeches on him. I don't know if you can see it. Off a donut now. Off he goes. Bloody. How much is the drag? Tiny one. Bit bigger than mine though. Well, it looked a lot smaller out there. That would have been a little mate. Well, at least you're off a donut as well, eh? That's actually a decent flatty, like a good 40, don't you reckon? Talking the hook fell out with my one. But I got lucky. Ah, Dewey! Dewey! Good fish. Dewey, good Dewey. Dad, take the liquor off, good Dewey. Oh, get up. Oh, it's a big, I think it's a big flatty. Nah, Dad, it's like a 60-80 Dewey. Oh. Yes, the last one. Yes. It's going your way. Yeah, no, he just... Oh, he looked good when he first came up. Oh. Gosh. I'd call it 73 though. That's a nice Dewey. Yes guys, we got one. Orange Dizamino in. Hell, it was. He's ready to go guys, he's just about ready. Yes guys, off she goes. Yes. Huh? Oi! Whoa, whoa, whoa! That was a good hit. I don't know whether. That's a couple centimeters off my measured PB, yeah? That's unlucky, bro. I thought I was on. Cast it onto the snag. Huh? Beg to differ. Cast it, felt weight. Oh, here we go. Another fish. Nah. You thought? Got another one. Dewey. Oh, Dewey. Oh, it's a good flatty if it is. It's a Dewey. Dewey. Oh, big flatty. lost it. But not much of a delay. Pretty much straight onto him. Should be able to see it in the GoPro. Felt it pretty strong in my hand. Yep! Oh, cracker hit. Cracker hit, bro. Cracker hit. It's a flatty, but it's a cracker hit, bro. Cracker hit from a little flatty. Rod just loaded up. Rod just loaded up, bro. It just loaded up. 2 and 2 casts. There you go. Yeah.
That's the goal, Damo, for you.
So guys, we did good today. 5 fish landed. Lost a nice flatty just down there. Every single one of my fish caught a little 3-inch pearl diesel minnow on a 3/8 of an ounce 3/0 jig head. 2.5 Masky 15-pound braid, 12-pound leader. And yeah, my dad's using 4000 Stratic, 10 pounds J braid, 12-pound leader, and a Zodius medium to heavy 6 to 14 pound. So if you did like this video, remember to like, subscribe, and yeah, see you guys in the next episode.